वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में मैं एक आइकॉनिक बॉलीवुड हेयर स्टाइल रिक्रिएट करने जा रही हूँ। तो आज के वीडियो में मैं रिक्रिएट करने जा रही हूँ प्रीति जिंटा का बीच वेव्स फ्रॉम द मूवी दिल चाहता है। दिल चाहता है was also a milestone in Bollywood mainstream movie. So as I was saying that this beach waves that Preeti Zinta wore in this hairstyle, according to me, is one of the most iconic hairstyles of Bollywood because she wore this at a time when most heroines used to wear blow dried straight hair. Like when we think about the 2000s, the first thing that comes to our mind is blow dried straight hair. Even Preeti Zinta wore it in most of her movies, but this beach waves that she continuously wore in the movie Dil Chahta Hai was such a refreshing change, and it was not curls, it was very laid back, easy breezy beach waves. बहुत ही आसान हेयर स्टाइल है जो आप घर में बैठ के ही रिक्रिएट कर सकेंगे। बस आपको जो कुछ चाहिए वो है थोड़ी बॉबी पिन्स, कुछ हेयर बैंड्स। इस हेयर स्टाइल की एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात ये है कि ये आपकी हेयर अगर थिन है तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम ऐड करते हैं। ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि क्योंकि मेरे खुद के हेयर में बहुत सारा वॉल्यूम नहीं है। सो आई रियली लाइक इट। तो मैं चाहूँगी कि आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो। और चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So we are going to start with semi-damp hair because the waves set much better as your hair dries down, and as you can see my hair is semi-side parted. So I'm going to take the front section of my hair and roll it around my fingers. Now a lot of people prefer rolling it from the top, however I find it much easier rolling it from the below or the base. So basically I'm rolling the hair and pinning it down with bobby pin. The reason why I am rolling the front section of my hair is because I have bangs, and when I open my hair at the end, it is going to look symmetrical with the rest of the hair. Now I am going to section out a small part of my hair from the side and make a regular 3-strand braid. Now the reason why I am doing this is because the waves turn out much better if you take individual sections and make separate braids rather than making two regular braids on both your sides. Now as you can see I'm making a regular 3-strand braid, and when it is almost over I'm going to secure it temporarily with 2 bobby pins. Next I'm going to take the rest of the hair to the side and again make a regular 3-strand braid. Now I'm going to take off the bobby pins and tie both these braids together with a rubber band. Now I'm going to take both the braids tied together and roll it around the top of my ear in a clockwise manner. Now as we will be moving forward further into the hair tutorial, you will be noticing that I will be rolling the rest of the hair in an anti-clockwise manner. Again I'm doing it so that the wave textures turn out much better. Now once I have rolled it properly and happy with the place, I am going to secure it nicely with bobby pins. Moving on to the next side, I am again taking a small section of hair and making a regular 3-strand braid. Now you might be asking that why I did not roll the hair in the front like I did in the other side. That is because I don't have bangs in this side. But if you have bangs on both sides of your head, make sure that you roll and pin the bangs first and then move on making the braid. Now I'm going to take the stray hair on the other side of my face and secure it properly with a bobby pin. This is because when I'll be finally opening my hair, I don't want some part of my hair to be wavy and the ends to be straight. As you can now see in the video, I'm taking the rest of my hair and making a 3-stranded braid, and this time I'm rolling it on the top of my head in a clockwise manner. I am finally securing the last braid with a bobby pin. Now this is how you will finally be looking after you tied up your hair. Time for the final reveal. So it's been almost 3 hours till I had finally braided my hair and rolled them together with bobby pins. I will now be taking off and seeing if the waves have formed in the way I wanted them to be. Now I'm going to show you almost the whole process so that you don't wonder that okay, she started opening her hair and voila, in the very next frame I have beautiful waves. So just for the sake of transparency, I'm going to show you the whole opening of the bobby pins and the rubber bands from the hair so that you can see my hair actually unfolding, my super straight hair actually unfolding into beautiful beachy waves. So as you can see that I have finally taken off the bobby pins from the very first 2 braids that I did. Make sure that you are very careful while you're taking out this braids. Now since you already know that we started with damp hair, it becomes a bit difficult while tying your hair because damp hair causes friction which dry hair does not. But semi-damp hair actually, as I said, makes your hair set much better. And just because we started with semi-damp hair, it will be a bit difficult while you're opening your hair. So make sure that you take utmost care, take the most of your time while opening the hair. This whole naturally getting beachy waves hair is about not damaging your hair. So make sure that you don't cause any damage. Now as you can see, we are nearing almost to the end and we are getting beautiful waves already. Can you see those super pretty natural waves? I'm so happy. Like, this is the result you get without using any product or any equipment at all. I mean, this is the cheapest beach wave that anybody can get ever with just a bit of time and their hand. Now as you can see that we have already got the texture in most part of our hair, and I'm finally going to take out the rolled up hair from the front of my hair. So opening the last braid, and then I will finally be opening the very first bang that I had rolled from the base and secured in place. Now again a reminder, please roll both your bangs if you have them at both the ends of your head. Now this is how the waves have turned out. Now I just smoothened the tight waves with my fingers and this is what I'm left with. Beautiful beach waves, all natural, without any equipment or spending any money. Now for some word of caution, please watch my next clip.
So as I was saying, if you have made till the end of the video, congratulations, because there is a word of caution for you, which is please don't sleep with the braids on your hair. I know that there is this general idea that if you sleep with it overnight, you will get this beautiful beach waves, but I did keep it for only 2.5 hours and see the lovely waves that I have. So, and I actually did a lot of research on this and I found that if you actually sleep with braids on your hair, it is detrimental, it is damaging for your hair. So please don't do that. I love this hairstyle also because it adds so much volume to your hair without any product, without any equipment, and most importantly without any heat. So the whole point of this hairstyle was not causing any damage to your hair. So if you sleep on your hair, you are causing damage to your hair. So it would have been better if you used an equipment. So don't do that. I love this hairstyle also because it adds so much volume to your hair without any product, without any equipment, and most importantly without any heat. So the whole point of this hairstyle was not causing any damage to your hair. And please comment in the comment section down below if you're going to recreate this video. My Instagram handle is this, so you can DM me if you choose to recreate this hairstyle. तो ये थी मैंने कैसे recreate की the iconic Bollywood hairstyle of Preity Zinta from Dil Chahta Hai. This is from the year 2001, so 2000 decade की hairstyle है ये. तो मैं ख्वाहिश रखूँगी कि ये इस वीडियो को देखकर आपको थोड़ी सी नॉस्टैल्जिया हुई. मैं चाहूँगी कि आप भी ये ट्राई करें. थोड़ी सी अगर प्रैक्टिस करो तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. And this is one of my favorite hairstyles to do. I love Preity Zinta. Kal Ho Na Ho is my favorite movie and so is Dil Chahta Hai. I loved her look in that video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक भी करिए और शेयर करिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ. और मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye.